How to add links to your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you also want to add links to your YouTube channel, whether it be your social media link or links to any website or to your Shopify website, then this video is for you. So in this tutorial, we will be looking at adding external links to your YouTube channel. So let us begin. So the first thing we need to do is simply open up our YouTube Studios application. So currently I am in a browser. So the first thing I'm going to do is click onto my profile picture, and then from here choose the YouTube Studio option. Then once I'm inside my YouTube Studios, I need to click onto this customization tab at the left. This will open my customization window. Then once you are inside this customization window, you can scroll down and you will find the section of links. So to add any external links and share them with your viewers, you can use this particular section. So click onto the add link button, and from here it will open up two sections. The first section will require you to provide a link title. So for example, let's say my website, and then you need to type in the URL of that particular website or web page. So let me just type in my URL, and then once you're all done, what you can do is simply click onto this publish button at the top right. Once you will do this, it will get published onto your YouTube channel. So let us check it out after you have seen this message which says changes published. So let's go to our channel and let's see if this has been published or not. And from here you can see that the hyperlink or the link that we added is successfully visible and is also redirecting as required. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to drop a like as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.